What's crack-a-lackin' peoples? Look at what we've done. We've got a 105 series Land Cruiser. It doesn't get any more iconic than this. So, idea about this is a quick fixer-upper and flip it. We are going to do a full clean. Lift, turbo, snorkel, intercooler, exhaust, brakes, bull bar, seats, seat covers, full service. This thing is going to be like new once we are done with it. Follow us on our YouTube, like and share this post. Guys, get involved, give us some ideas, and we'll have a quick look. So, we've already started stripping everything out. Seats are out, she's just about empty inside. The guys have started with the engine bay. Guys are working in there already. So, this is going to be like a brand new truck. Once we're done, she's emptied out, we're cleaning it up. Guys, join us on this journey. There'll be many more of these, but this is our first quick build and flip. Follow us. Thanks, guys.